Use a manual line piper. The handle wire. It has 4 wire. This wire connects to the main unit. The transparent pipe connects the trachea. The green pipe connects the water. The yellow pipe connects the atomizing gas. This connects to the micromotor. Pay attention to align the interface when connecting. This is the front cover of the motor. This is the connection line of the screen. This way is connected to the main unit. This way connects to the screen. This connection power source. These are other accessories. This is the back cover of the motor. This is the main unit. Connect T screen wire. Connect the handle wire. Connect the power line. The other end of the power line connects to the dental chair power. Connect the cable to the screen and install the screen, then connect the screen wire to the main unit. Install the handle line to the dental chair. Then connect the air pipe, water pipe and atomizing gas respectively. Connect the transparent wire to the triplet of the main unit. The other pipe of the triplet connected to the air supply device of dental chair. The green wire connects to the water supply of the dental chair. Finally, connect the atomizing gas wire to the dental chair. Then connect the power. This way connect to the dental chair. The other way connect to the main unit.